Hey, welcome back to another video. So the big question of the day is it too late for you to jump on Amazon? All right, is it too late? Are there too many people trying to jump on? Are there too many sellers trying to sell the product? Is it a saturated sort of market, right? So is there wiggle room for you, right? So we're going to answer that question and more in this video. So stay with me. We'll be back in a second.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.
Welcome back, guys. It's good to have you here. So, are you too late? The short answer is absolutely not. There are so many new products coming to market every single month, but in fact it's every single week. I was at the Canton Fair, which is basically Guangzhou over in China, right? I was there about 4 months ago with students and we were there walking around. I saw more products in a span of a day, new products, right, that I've ever seen before. So I'm just saying there's a lot of brand new products coming out of China, but also other countries. There's so much innovation happening, right? And this depends also on the niche you're in. And this is why this is something we teach our students, and that is jump on niches and categories that have a lot of innovation happening. So what does that mean? It means a lot of new stuff happening. So if you look at, for example, at the skiing niche, right? Now I love going down to South Island in New Zealand. I love going to Jindabyne and skiing, right? I try to do it every year, right? And there's only so many new products coming to market. There isn't anything new, right? A skiing is a ski. A ski pole is a ski pole. It's got ski gloves, right? But it's nothing really new. There's nothing really new coming out in the market, right? Whereas you look at baby products, right? There are so many, probably in the last, I'd say month, I would have said I've seen at least 5 new products come out just in the baby category that I've never seen before. So there's a lot of innovation, a lot of new products happening in some categories, whereas some other categories out there, like other niches, like skiing or camping, where there isn't really much happening. Same thing goes to pets. I've seen new products coming out all the time for pets, like right now the automatic pet feeders, right? The automatic ball throwers. So you could be in the office in the Sydney CBD over there, you could be sitting in one of the big towers over there somewhere, and you could basically be playing with your dog, right, at home, right, on your iPhone. You can be on your iPhone, right, and actually talking to your dog, going, yes boy, and click a button, and it will launch a ball for your dog back in your apartment, right, or in your house, right? So that is a brand new product that's come out literally probably in the last 6 months, right? The automatic ball throwers. Then there's automatic pet feeders. Then you've got brand new products like the water tricklers, right? Then you've got the snuffle mats. The snuffle mats are huge, right? Pet market is always evolving. Why? Because people are always trying to improve the pets, the baby market. They're always trying to make a better product, a better looking product, a product that just performs better, right? So jump on products and niches and categories that there's a lot of innovation happening, a lot of new stuff. And this is what we teach you how to do at our training, also in our online course. So if you haven't yet seen our online webinar, check it out. It's on our website, click below. You can give us a call in the office if you're serious about getting started and you want to work with me and my team members. Give us a call. The number's below the screen. If you're based in Australia, it's 02-8003-7534. Join our program, our 2-day. We've got a 2-day workshop coming up. I would love to see you at this 2-day workshop. You bring your laptop. We find products in the room. We find suppliers in the room, and we list products on Amazon in the room as well. I'd love to see you there. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.